Alright, you fucking dogs, here we go. On today's episode, we're going to chase the elusive Metre muddies. So, we're doing a bit of a tribute video for the great man, Willem Powerfish, the world champion, fucking 3 metre Flatty record holder. So, without further fucking ado, let's get the dog! Alright turds, I've spotted a couple of blokes up here on the jetty having a fish. Just gonna see how they're going. Fucking good looking blokes too. Wonder if they're getting any. There you go, mate. What do you mean, what am I doing? I'm just trying to have a good time, mate. How he's going? You getting any?
We're having a fucking good time.
Yeah. They busting up?
I'll fucking bust you up, cunt.
Fuck off, mate. I'm just here having a fish. What are you fucking carrying on about?
Fucking trying to fish, mate. What are you doing?
Just having a good time, mate. What's wrong? What's wrong? You want some burley?
You want some
Listen here, you fucking dog. Get a chook in here. Oh, there you go, burley. They'll be busting up now, eh?
What's your fucking problem, mate?
I don't have a fucking problem. It's alright.
I think this is. What sort of game, mate?
Oh, not yet. You ever had a man?
You know a man once you had a man.
You heard that one?
Yeah.
Fucking oath. You blokes want to come crabbing?
Yeah, they got, yeah. They got hair on them.
Yeah. Let's go. Bit of fucking bloke on bloke. Come on, you fucking dog, get in.
I like crabs. I got crabs.
Fucking all aboard, boys. Hey, hey, fucking bloke on bloke on bloke on chooks. Fucking get the dog. Let's go. Get in the fucking boat. Fucking around. Come on. Oh, bloody hell, mate. You'll fucking scare them off. Come on, let's go.
I'm scared off now.
I've got all the fucking crab pots. Let's go.
Yeah. Fucking mate. You got beer in there?
Yeah, of course I've got fucking beer. Fucking heaps of beer, no fucking ice. But anyone can drink them cold, eh, fellas? Anyone can drink them cold, eh? Yeah, that one? Get in the fucking boat. I've got the bloody chooks, boys. Heaps of chooks. They're the best bait for the big fucking Metre muddies, mate.
Metre muddies.
Metre muddies. You heard about them?
Huh?
They're fucking massive. Fuck, this boat sounds like it's gonna blow up. That's alright, eh? You just don't care? No. Righto. I'm not real good at fucking parking, eh? I used to work for Sun Ferries. There we go.
Now you work for ocean liners?
Yeah. Come on, mate.
Let me go in the fucking drink.
Well, let's bait some pots up and fucking get them in the fucking water, eh? Fuck yeah. Ah! Alright.
Okay.
Mosh out for chooks. Well, these fucking beauties.
Fucking stick the cunt out, will you?
Hey?
Yeah, look at this fucking cunt.
Here,
Fuck.
get a chook in here.
Oh, fucking, are they warm?
Yeah,
I'd
I put them out last night. Good to go. Let's get the dog. Alright, you dogs, it's time to bait up these pots and fucking catch some fucking crabs. So we got the chooks here. So, what's your bloody names anyway?
Benno.
How are you?
I'm fucking grouse.
That's the shit. How you going?
Yeah, fucking not a bad, eh?
I like you. Oh.
Oh.
You're a fucking real man, aren't you? Fucking, I can smell a real man when I fucking smell one.
But I want to smell a real man, have a fucking sniff of this.
That's a nice looking chook, mate.
Yeah, I'm going to cut up a little bit.
No, you got to put them in whole. Fuck ya,
No,
don't you know nothing?
Kill the cunt.
Fucking dead. Put it out of Coles.
Fucking dead, Nina.
Oh, fuck, look what you fucking did, mate. Fuck. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Hey, fuck the chooks, Benno. Gotta use them.
Too fucking cold.
You on your rag, mate? That just fell out of your jocks.
Did.
Fuck, you're disgusting.
Night
Oh,
last night.
fuck.
Everything's blowing this morning. Oh yeah.
All right.
There you go.
All right. Yep, that's ready to go.
Ready? All right.
So we'll put these in. So what I've got here, fellas, some whole chooks. I've got some skippy too, because you know, Australia, and some snags. I was gonna eat them, but and some mullet.
They don't smell real fucking good.
They don't know. Well, I found them. They're in the bin, but they still look alright. Then we'll chuck some fish in there and shit, and yeah, okay. You fucking anger problems, mate?
Just a little bit. Hell, mate. Yeah, the fucking day.
Sorry, mate.
Sorry, putting these fucking things.
In the fucking crab pot, mate. You gotta put in the
In the
fucking
fucking
in the
hole.
bait pocket. Fuck, I'm gonna teach you blokes everything.
Victorian, mate. I've never been fucking crabbing in my life.
Sorry, mate. You're about to live a little. Oh, what do you got here? Some
Bit of lamb.
spring lamb, half leg roast. That should go alright.
Don't tell your missus.
I won't. She don't even like me.
Wonder why.
You got something on your face there.
Your mum.
Salty. Alright.
Oh, that's a good sign.
Alright, just stopped.
Sharpen this fucking knife, I think.
Wonder if that's a good thing or not. Oh, she's right. I'll just leave it off. Oh, fuck. Nearly went in. Alright, let's bait him up and get him in the fucking drink. What do you got there, mate? What are you working with? Anything good?
Just having a shake.
More than three's a wank, mate. Fuck. Alright, let's go. Down the back here. Sometimes you just gotta give it a fucking squeeze. Alright. Let's get the dogs. That was your cue, mate. That was your cue.
Yeah, cue. Fuck you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Fucking funny cunts. We got some ice off a boat that broke down. Did a fucking good thing for the community. That's all I'm all about, community.
Yeah, the good thing would be to help them in. You just took their fucking ice.
Yeah. Well, they weren't gonna fucking use it. You're pretty cute, eh? Let's go. Alright, fuck it.
Do it. Come on, fucker.
Come on, mate. Fucking hell. Can you give it a squeeze? Oh. Yeah. Oh, what a bloody look at that, eh? Look at that, we're off. Oh, chook.
Tasty.
Yeah. Alright, let's go. Alright, mate, so the plan is you put the crab pots in the water, that's where the crabs are, and when I say, get the dog, you throw one in.
My fucking pants.
Yeah, they're undersized.
Ah, the fucking big cuts, mate. The big ones.
Ready? Ready?
I'm ready.
Get the dog!
Yep.
Fuck. You got to throw that in. Yeah, there you go, you got it. Well done, mate.
Yeehaw.
Get the dog! Get the dog!
Got your fucking dog.
Get the dog! Get that! Ah!
Oh,
Yeah, just seeing if you're on the fucking ball.
fucking oath.
Good, you're learning, mate. You're fucking learning. So you fucking get them in Queensland. Fucking Victorian cunts, fucking mud crab. Get the fucking dog!
Fuck, it's 2! Is that 2?
No. There you going. Any bust ups? No fucking bust ups here. Alright, you turds. We've got all the pots in the fucking water now. That's where the crabs are. So we're gonna get them. Now
You told me you were going to get fucking MOTO muddies.
we are getting meter muddies.
Well, where the fuck are they?
Just fucking shush, mate. Trying to fucking film a video. So now we got to get the centre burley out into the atmosphere. So I'm going to give you a fucking hot tip on how to do that the right way. The North Queensland fucking way, I'll show you. All right, to get the centre burley out there, guys, you're going to need 2 things. A fucking mullet and a fucking leaf blower. So all you got to do, it's pretty fucking simple. That's it. Oh, get particles through that. We've done our part. Now all we've got to do, have another beer, get the mullet off your hand, and get the dog.
It's Willem Powerfish, forget Rex Hunt. Holds a record for a big dog cunt. 3 metre flatty, he used a chook. Ever had a man, jetty session pest, remote control boats, your patience he will test. 3 metre flatty, he's casting chooks. 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 2.8 metres just won't do. The woolies chooks get 3 meteries to chew. And no, Willem Powerfish has got the chooks. Wearing his Crocs at the flatty hole, blokes on blokes, male brothel, never catches brim, he uses chooks. Tattoos on his face, pilchers in a case, locker pants on, haters gonna hate, powerful man with woolies chooks. He's got the chooks. He's got the chooks.
Alright, you turds, time to go and check these pots. We're gonna swing around here, circle the bastards. They won't hear us coming because we're sneaking.
3 meteries to chew. And no, Willem Powerfish has got the chooks.
2 empty tins.
Oh.
Alright. Well, it's fucked. We got a crab! We got a fucking crab.
Well, I got pills for that. And cream.
It's not a metery.
Not with that attitude.
Close. 0.5.
Close.
0.5.
So what's up, YouTube? It's been a long time no see. I think the last video I was in was fucking Pertec.
Pertec Fishing Challenge.
Yeah. A while ago.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
Welcome back.
Yeah.
Oh, we got a leaf. Got a leaf. Yeah. Not bad chewing.
Yes, we got another one.
Another one.
Good on
What was that on the kangaroo?
on the roo, yeah.
Yep. The chooks are fucking terrible.
That's fucking roast lamb.
Oh, is it? Yeah, it is.
Fucking dirty bastard didn't like the lamb.
Oh, that's dinner tonight.
Cost me 17 fucking bucks.
Yeah, that's what we're eating it fucking later.
I travelled 3,500 k's for this.
I never promised mud crabs. I did promise beers and bloke on bloke.
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
That's 2,000 miles, y'all.
Another crab?
Another crab. Getting slightly bigger.
Yep. I am getting a bit excited.
Still not legal. Fucking no. Fuck. Get up there. Fucking dog. Get me? Any bust ups? Come on, Benno. Get the fucking dog. Fuck. Back off.
What's
new. You're the same people out there. Maybe not. Hit me up on my Instagram if you want. If not, all good, man. I don't care.
You do care.
Sometimes.
We all care. All these nasty comments and call us fucking names and it really gets to us.
People call us names.
Yeah, I don't tell you about it because I know you're sensitive. Right, turds, well that was a fucking disaster. There's no fucking crabs in this fucking creek. The whole chooks let us down. Willem, I thought you were my fucking hero and fuck, spent all this money. I didn't even go to fucking Woolies, I went to Coles because I'm fucking broke.
That's why. Coles.
Fucking broke.
Yeah, the high end chooks.
Yeah. Fucking roast lamb, fucking mullet, chicken, kangaroo, sausages.
Shitty fuck.
It's nothing. It's nothing. Go back, wash the boat, and cry myself to sleep.
Anyway, a man on man now. Bit of man on man.
Fucking I'm keen. What do you reckon? You want a bit of bloke on bloke?
Yeah.
We'll go up here and jerk each other off?
Yeah.
Rusty Butcher style.
Fuck yeah, I'm keen for
You
that.
grab your cock, I'll grab your elbow. You grab my cock, you grab my elbow, and then we'll.
And someone's going to have to bend over.
Yeah, and then. So I work your elbow, and then it's not like because I'm touching my own dick. So
Yeah.
it's good.
It's not,
Nah.
that's nothing.
No.
That's fine. Yeah, we'll give it a go.
Yeah, we'll work it out.
Anyway, that's the end of the fucking video. Make sure you like it, subscribe and all that shit. Now, fuck off!